You've probably seen me cross-cut my bench tops, flipping them over, trying to align the same cut twice. Well, I got a new little gadget from Banggood that solves all this and can replace basically any saw except the bandsaw to make lots of usually sketchy or unsafe cuts totally safe. The HONGDUI and Hooked On Wood folding guide rail clamps, links in the description, are surprisingly sturdy holders for a track saw track that basically transform your track saw into a giant miter saw. Also featured in this video are the awesome bench dogs, which aren't required but awesome for this. They get bigger as you screw them in, so they squeeze in perfectly into your dog holes for a very solid hold. As you can see, they aren't going anywhere. Now let me show you how all of this works, and get my new track saw, which I bought myself but haven't used yet on the channel. You slide them in like this, and there's little tabs that push from under, holding them tight when you're done. Then you slide them onto the bench dogs and screw the side screw onto them, but you're better off waiting until you have your material ready, as that's an adjustment you'll need to do. I like using a piece of 1/8 thick material to protect my disc, as you want the blade to at least go through your material. If you think this is not wide enough of a cut, wait until later. I have a way that will for sure fix that. I like pushing my hand down on the track while everything is loose, then tighten it to perfection there. Once you're done, you can raise and lower it, and it's very solid. And the stuff is held tight because of the rubber under the track. I'll show you how thin I can cut strips with this. First, set your saw to exactly the thickness of your material, plus about a 32nd of an inch to make sure you clear it. The black bits are because my track saw is mostly new and my blade was cutting against the zero clearance strip. Perfect cut, super thin, exactly where I wanted it, safely and easily. Behind you have those little screws to adjust, which gives additional support. If you're cutting really thick stuff, they won't touch, and it works fine without them, but it helps hold better when the track is up. By loosening up the top screws, you can easily slide the track, as you can see. Now I'll show you how you can use the dogs to align stuff and cut square without measuring first. Just align your board like this, and if your dog holes are square and aligned, which they should be, it'll be a square cut. This kept the holes close to me and easier, but you can use the dog from the clamp too, like this. Now let me put this away for now, we'll get back to it in a minute. I want to do a change on my workbench to make this even nicer. Using this mobile drill press, which Banggood sent me a few months ago, links also in the description, I'm going to add another dog hole at the other end of my workbench and have much bigger crosscut potential that I'll actually use today. Make sure your holes are in line if you want nice and square results. Now let's bring back the track and you'll see the kind of big stuff I can now cut in my tiny shop. I have this pink pad that I want a 60-inch part to cover my workbench for the other track saw usage. Let's get this cut precisely, safely. All done. You'll see more of the track saw in future videos and for sure this set of clamps and bench dogs too. Thanks to Banggood, HONGDUI and Hooked On Wood for those awesome products and for sending them over for me to test and review. I love working with them. If you're interested in checking any of them out, check out the links in the description. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more, and see you next time.